Students, today we are going to start new chapter in standard 7, chapter 4, simple equations. First of, what is equation? For equation we check what is the meaning of expression, right? Suppose I will write x plus 4, it is called expression, right? Adding 4 in the number means x plus 4. Suppose I will write x प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 6. ये क्या हुआ? एक्सप्रेशन, राइट? और दिस इज कॉल्ड इक्वेशन. मीन्स व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन इक्वेशन एक्सप्रेशन? इन इक्वेशन व्हाट इज कम? इक्वालिटी साइन. इक्वालिटी साइन रिप्रेजेंट द इक्वेशन, राइट? इन इक्वेशन here it is LHS. LHS means left hand side and this is called RHS. इक्वल टू की लेफ्ट साइड को क्या बोलेंगे? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. और राइट साइड को क्या बोलेंगे? राइट हैंड साइड. एंड इक्वालिटी सिम्बॉल्स रिप्रेजेंट द इक्वेशन. सपोज I will write 2x plus 3 is equal to 4 into y plus 2. This also is equation, not this type of this simple equation, right? X plus 4 is equal to 6. 2x plus 3 is equal to 4 into y plus 2, also called equation. Now what is variable, right? Variable means unknown number, right? Suppose x, y, z, a, b, c, p, q, r, that is called variable. Now forming the equation. How to form equation? Forming the equation. Suppose in equation sum of x and 2 is 4, right? Sum of, सम का मीनिंग क्या है? प्लस, राइट? x and 2 is 4. is means is equal to. तो हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट इन इक्वेशन? x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 4. x एंड मीन्स प्लस. सम बोला है मीन्स सम ऑफ x एंड 2 मीन्स x प्लस 2 is means is equal to 4, right? Now suppose in given difference meaning सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, राइट? सपोज आई विल राइट डिफरेंस बिटवीन y एंड 3 इज 9. क्या बोला है? डिफरेंस. डिफरेंस का मीनिंग क्या है? सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो y माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 9. इज मीन्स इज इक्वल टू. सपोज डिफरेंस की प्लेस पर कई बार टेकन अवे वर्ड यूज होता है. टेकन अवे, राइट? So 3 is taken away from y, you get 9, right? Suppose you have given 3 is taken away from y, you get 9, right? And how you can forming equation? 3 is taken away means minus 3 from y means y minus 3. you get means is equal to 9, right? Now suppose product word is given, product. Then what? Product means to multiply, right? Suppose product of 2 and x is 14. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 and x. 2 and x का मीनिंग क्या है? 2 multiply x मीन्स 2x. is means is equal to 14, right? Product of 2 and x is 14 means 2 into x is equal to 14. In multiply, some examples are 6 times x. 6 times x means 6x. Suppose 6 times x is given, then you have to write 6x. 3 times y means 3y, right? Suppose in this type of sum is given double of x meaning 2x, double of x means 2x, then you have times what is given, double, thrice, that word is given, that also you have to multiply. Suppose twice of x, then you have to write 2x, double of x means 2x, twice of x also meaning of 2x. Suppose thrice of y, then you have to write 3 multiply y means 3y. Now in this type sum is also given, fraction also is given. Fraction means division, right? 1/4 of x, 1/4 of x, 1/4 का मीनिंग क्या है, 1/4 of x means multiply, 1/4 of x, 1/4 multiply x. Suppose half of y is given, then how you can write half of y means 1/2 of y, so y upon 2, half of y, this way you have to write. Now next is, our next topic is putting values. Suppose you have given one equation, x plus 4 is equal to 10 and x is equal to 2 value is given. That time what you have to write, in LHS side you have to put the value of x, then you have to check it will come 10 or not. Suppose x plus 4, what is the value of x, 2, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, right? This is LHS is equal to x plus 4, put the value of x, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, तो इसकी x की वैल्यू हुई 6, यहाँ RHS में क्या है 10, therefore LHS not equal to RHS. Suppose x की वैल्यू 6 दिया है, right? Suppose x is equal to 2, then put the value of in x plus 4 is equal to 10. Now x means 2, x is equal to 6 is given, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, तो LHS is equal to RHS हो गया, right? So what is the value of x? X is equal to 6 is given, that is correct, and x plus 2, that is not the value of x. Now our next topic is trial and error method. Trial and error. ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड में आपको वैल्यू नहीं दी गई है. सपोज 5p plus 2 is equal to 17 is given. Here variable p value is not given. That time you have to take, you can take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Suppose I will take p is equal to 1, then you have to put the value of 1 and you have to check. So 5p plus 2 is equal to 17 is given, right? So 5 into 1 plus 2, 5 ones are 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Here RHS is given 17, so p is equal to 1 is not value of equation, right? Now suppose I will take p is equal to 2. Now 5 into 2 plus 2, put the value of p, 5 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. So p is equal to 2 is not the value of this equation. Suppose now I will take p is equal to 3. So 5p plus 2 is equal to 5p is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 3, 5 multiply 3, 15 plus 2, 15 plus 2 is equal to 17, right? So RHS is given 17, so p is equal to 3 is the value of the equation. In trial and error method you have to take value yourself, you have to take 0, 1, 2, 3, put the value and check your RHS is not coming or not coming, that way you have to check. Now our next topic is solve the equation. Suppose x plus 6 is given is equal to 10 is given. What is the method? X plus 6, you have to find the value of x here. Plus 6 is here given, we have to find the values. So take minus 6 here, minus 6 दोनों साइड, यहाँ प्लस 6 है तो इसका ऑपोजिट माइनस 6 लेना है, और माइनस 6 यहाँ राइट साइड लेफ्ट साइड करते हो तो राइट साइड भी करना है. सो 6 plus 6 minus 6 cancel, so x is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, right? Suppose I will take 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. So we have to find value of p. So 3p, here minus 10 is given, so I will take plus 10. जो नंबर दिया है उसका आपको ऑपोजिट लेना है वेरिएबल के साथ, राइट? 5 plus 10. So plus 10 minus 10 cancel, 10 minus 10 0, right? 3p, 10 plus 5 15. अभी 3p is equal to 15, तो अभी दोनों साइड डिवाइड करना है 3 से. Therefore 3p is equal to 3, 15 upon 3. 3 5 is 15, 3 3 cut, 5 is equal to p is equal to 5. This is the one method. Now next method of this solving the equation is transposing method. यही इक्वेशन सॉल्व करते हैं. x plus 6 is equal to 10, right? So x is equal to 10. ये प्लस 6 है, राइट साइड जाएगा तो उसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. ये प्लस है तो ये साइड जाएगा तो माइनस. सपोज ये माइनस 6 होता तो ये साइड जाता तो वो प्लस 6 हो जाता. So x is equal to 10 minus 4 is 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Now we will solve this again. 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. Therefore 3p is equal to 5. ये माइनस है तो ये साइड जाएगा तो प्लस 10. Therefore 3p is equal to 10 plus 5 15. Therefore p is equal to 15. ये मल्टीप्लाई में है तो नीचे डिवाइड में. 3 5 are 15. Therefore p is equal to 5. This way we have to find. We are using this method and transposing method. Here you have to write subtracting both side 6. Here subtracting both, adding plus 10 both side. Here 3p is equal to 15 is given, so dividing both side by 3. So generally we are using this method of transposing method we are using.